Hey friends, Ingrid here from Open Journey. I would love to share with you a few details about the Seeds of Hope kit. I'm not gonna do a really an unboxing because there are quite a few of the Open Journey team members, the sweet ladies, awesome ladies, talented ladies, did a few unboxings. Lindsay posted her unboxing today. Her IG handle is Lindsay Decor 413, and she has something in her stories, but she has on her YouTube channel, Lindsay Decor. She has an unboxing of both Seeds of Hope and Fruit of the Spirit, and she does such an amazing job. It's like I won't even try to replicate what she does. She's amazing. So, but I just want to show you a few things I had in mind with the elements of the kit. They're just a few details that nobody else really knows. So I'm gonna just show you quick. I'm not gonna keep you for a full unboxing. So one of the, so very quick, in case you haven't seen any unboxings, this is the devotional booklet. This is the folder, very pretty, that keeps all the paper goodies, well, some of them, the larger pieces. And this is a vellum sewn pouch that holds a lot of paper elements, like all of the die cuts, and very cool stamp set that has many small stamps this time. So first I want to start with the tags. These Mellorim tags, I discovered them, I don't know, I just had some laying around, and a few years ago when I was working through the Walking the Holy Week with Jesus, I thought of using, okay, so, oh, they're right here. So I thought I lost them. So this is how I use them. See, you can see the rim, the metal rim on the back. So I adhered some elements, some cutouts on the back, then some on the front. So I get this layered effect, so it's a beautiful mixed media piece. Over here I have, of course, I painted the tag on the front with green, kind of, to blend in with the other elements. And you can see it on the back. So you can do very cool things with it. Also, in the devotional I mentioned, I make a silly comparison to Holy Spirit vision. So this kind of looks like a monocle, right? So I thought it would be a good illustration of that particular thought. And also I have, these words that wrap around, so that was for this element, the Holy Spirit vision. So I wanted to share this with you on how I was gonna use these elements. Also we have the Polaroid, these guys, these frames. So what I did, I have this here in case you have images like you already have on your computer that you would like to use. I just had some images printed out, and I just took this, laid it on top of the image, glued it on, and cut the image to size, and there I had a little faux Polaroid. My dog is barking. So these are for this, or you can use them in other different settings, like to frame in a Bible verse or a word. So those are for that. And I had one more thing. What was it? That is, okay, these so I have the tickets, which are really cool. I just love these elements. Now the tickets say save this, pray this, note this, do this on the top, and they have the Bible verses on the bottom, like prompts, or some of them have the Bible verse kind of illustrated, but there's room for journaling. The ones that are in the shop, I have another set that are blank. We have only the top part, and the rest you can customize it to your needs. Whatever verse you're working with, you can put the verse in there. So I just I don't know, I just love the stickers. They're so colorful and fun. So I think it's a beautiful visual element to in journaling. So I want to mention that. And also, oh man, I know am I forgetting something? Oh yes, I am forgetting something. So the cards, the postcards included the blank cards. I played last night with a few. I saw this dog barely barks, and now it's been barking for like 5 minutes. I took some cards and I played with sprays, with distress oxides, and also used my jelly plate for some of the cards. I haven't pulled a jelly plate out in a long time. It's awesome. I love playing with the jelly plate. I did these ones, and I think I did impressions on different ones. But anyway, I made a whole bunch of beautiful backgrounds. They're ready to go, like this one. And that's one with the jelly plate, and this one too. And they're gonna be ready to go when I just, when I do some journaling. When I have everything out, I'm just gonna, journal on a card as well and send it to somebody, and maybe, brighten their day. So, or just, offer little holy reminders. We can do that because we get those through our days too. And it's beautiful to just pass it on. So I want to show you the cards. And this cover, you can use it to even make a journal, to work with this kit. Or the way I used it, well, I used 2 of them, but this cover you get in the digital download as well. And yeah, the digital download, I will not forget what I want to show you, but the digital download contains, I already printed out and used, washi strips, which are from elements from the kit, like the florals, and they're very useful. I love washi strips when I get them. So I made this cover. First I was gonna glue it on the chipboard, but I decided not to because I like the inside and the back as well. So it's pretty cool. So you can use it for that. That's an idea. And also I'm gonna show you quick the other. I made 2 journals. One is plainer than the other. The other one is all crazy with bold artwork, and one is a little bit calmer. So see here, I used a tab from one of the tickets. So I think from this one, Pray This. I used my tab punch, and even though I have a little gift for you, I set up, because I didn't include tabs with, I just forgot. And I have a file. I'm gonna send the newsletter out with this file with these tabs as a little gift for you, whoever is signed up for the newsletter. If you're not, sign up, because I'm gonna be sending this out this week. So I started working in this very beautiful journal I found from like 1870. It's like a farming journal, which I guess my husband just told me. I didn't even notice that or make the connection. It's very appropriate for the Seeds of Hope. And when the text is too much, I just use some white wash to dim it down, and so I can do my own journaling. And this is a spread I worked in today, and I used the 2 number here. The C is the stamp, and these are elements from the stamp set, and like the hope and seed number. So this is seed number 1, and this is the stickers, one of the stickers from the shop. It doesn't really come with the kit, but you can, it's like an add-on. A little washi strip from the digital download, and the sparrow Polaroid. So I just want to share this with you. This is how far I got with this. Thank you so much. I have a mess here. I really hope this kit will brighten your day and will keep you in the word, and we'll encourage you to share the word, because this is our calling. So thank you so much, and I'll see you around. Thank you.